Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so great to have everyone back again. Today I am filming the HAPA KRISTIN review. I know I've said I was going to film it a long time ago, but you know, shit happens and I'm finally able to do it now, so let's get started. So if you guys don't know, HAPA KRISTIN is a pretty new, I would say it's pretty new, contact brand. It got really popular through a lot of influencers and just, you know, influencer marketing. And I think like every ABG has tried out HAPA KRISTIN at one point. It's similar to like their lashes, but yeah, it's not similar, but like, you know, like same vibe. And yeah, I'm finally going to be doing like a little review on it. So I have some notes on my phone, so don't mind if I just pull it out right now. Quick side note, if you guys don't know, I am very addicted to Notion. I pretty much plan my entire existence on Notion, and it's just always been like that for like I would say like the last few months. I'm literally trying to find my YouTube tab. I don't know why it's not showing up. So when I'm doing more in-depth reviews, I like to just write some notes. So if you guys can just see, I have some of my notes here so I know what to go over and just to give you guys a more accurate review. So first thing I want to talk about is color and sizing. HAPA KRISTIN does have plenty of colors and you could really seek your preference via color and diameters. So in regards to color, they carry gray, brown, green, blue, hazel. They even have violet, black, and like an ash brown color. So you guys could just go on their website and look up whatever colors you prefer. They are categorized, I think, with color as well, so you guys can just check that out. I prefer like green and hazels on my skin tone, but yeah. And then they also have different sizes in regards to the lens. So some people like smaller lenses to give a more natural look, and some people like a larger diameter to have a more wide-eyed, like larger eye effect. So they do carry diameters from 12 millimeters all the way up to 13.5 millimeters, so that's great. A really great range if you like different types of contacts, because you know everyone has their own preference. Why can I not speak today? Okay. And then in regards to periods, so as you know, there's different types of contacts, and some contacts are dailies, some are monthlies, and some are like tri-monthlies kinda. Regarding their periods, so in terms of how long you could wear the contacts, they either come in dailies, which would be like a 10-day span, like a 10-day supply, and then monthlies, which is like once you open it, you can wear it for a whole month. When it comes to comfort and appearance, all the lenses I've tried, I found to be very comfortable. I could wear them for a few hours without any issues. I do have a little bit more sensitive eyes, so I like to take off my contacts within like 5 to 6 hours of wearing them, just because of my eye health. And then I always like, well, in the very beginning, I preferred like more natural look, so it would be a smaller diameter and just a very like natural, there's no limbo line and all that. So I really enjoyed a more natural look, and as my makeup grew a little bit more simpler, I wanted a larger eye appeal, so just to really open up my eyes, so I would start using a larger diameter. So my favorite like natural line would be the micdrops. Like if you're just getting into contacts, especially color contacts, I highly recommend the micdrop line. I think I've used all the colors before. My favorites would have to be the brown colors, so like the hazels and the greens. It's just what I prefer. And when it comes to larger eye appeal, so if you're trying to make your eyes look a teeny bit bigger, or you're trying to draw emphasis on your eyes, I highly recommend Peaceful and Cheerful KRISTIN. So those contacts come in a larger diameter, and I think one of them have the limbo ring to really like make your eyes look a little bit more dramatic. So if you guys are looking for that, I highly recommend those two lines as well. But yeah, I've tried micdrop KRISTIN in green as well as hazel. I've tried, what is going on? I've also tried cheerful KRISTIN in green. Wannabe Kristen in hazel, and Odd Kristen in brown. So whichever ones I have pictures of, I'll ask my friend to edit them in somewhere along the video. But yeah, it's probably gonna be like around here somewhere, and then you guys could just hit the pause. You can hit pause and check it out. But yeah, that's pretty much my experience on them, and now I'm gonna show you the two of the ones I have right now. So I currently have I currently have Cheerful Kristen as well as Fuming Kristen. Cheerful Kristen is in green, and then Fuming Kristen is in blue. I haven't tried Fuming Kristen yet, so I'm just gonna show you the outside packaging, and then I guess I'll insert a few clips of me wearing them in a few seconds. So yeah, enjoy. I would also like to mention that I got like the holiday collection, so when you bought, I think it was like 2 or more or something like that, you got like gifts. So it did come with like these I would say like the solutions, the contact solutions. Why am I like so illiterate today? I can't, like my mouth hurts. But yeah, they're super cute. These are honestly, I feel like I saw them and I was like, oh, I need to buy contacts. So yeah, super great, super nice. I love them. They're great, super handy because like there's so many. If we ever go traveling again, I would love to take these with me. But yeah, let me show you what Fuming Kristen looks like just out of the box. So this is pretty much what you'll get. Usually it comes in like a small box, really cute. You can see all the details. It is super creative. Like every single lens is like a mood, I guess. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. Here's me opening it for the sake of the video. So yeah. So there's usually a little instruction manual. There's also a coloring sheet, and they have like a competition. If you guys want to send back like little coloring sheets. But yeah, it's pretty much the instruction manual, but you can color it, and I'm pretty sure, like look how cute this is. Packaging is like #1 reason why I wanted to buy it, but you know, whatever. And then it comes with the lenses that look like this. And yeah, I'm gonna try these on for you in a few moments. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any other contacts that you want me to try, because I'm always looking for new beauty stuff to try on. If you guys have any questions or would like any other details, feel free to just DM me or just drop a comment below. I'm always checking the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my little YouTube journey. I will try to be more consistent with posting. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Oh, and don't forget to check out my other stuff, my other social media, so Instagram, TikTok, and you know, everything else. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.